kasuga! Ay! Woo! Look! Woo! Grabe, linaw! Grabe! Ah, Lord! Ah! Tago! Tago! No! No! Mari! Abang Ginoo! No!
A 7.6 magnitude earthquake struck the Mindanao region of the Philippines on Friday, October 10, 2025. The earthquake was recorded at 9:43 a.m. at a depth of 56 kilometers. The epicenter was off the east coast of Davao Oriental. Aftershocks and potential damage are expected. A tsunami warning has also been issued. The tremors were felt strongly in several provinces in southern Mindanao, prompting residents to evacuate buildings and move to open areas. Authorities are currently assessing the extent of possible damage and monitoring for aftershocks. Disaster response teams and local government units are on standby for possible rescue and relief operations. A 7.6 magnitude earthquake struck the southern Philippines on Friday morning local time. The Philippine Seismological Agency warned of potential severe damage and aftershocks and immediately issued a tsunami warning for coastal areas near the epicenter. Teresito Bacocol, head of the Philippine Seismological Agency, stated that the earthquake's epicenter was located about 20 kilometers offshore from Manay City in the Mindanao region at 9:43 a.m. local time. He stated that the earthquake's high intensity likely triggered a tsunami along the country's east coast. Hopefully, all the people of Mindanao, Philippines are safe.
Lord, tama na Lord! Lord! Tama na Lord!
Lord, Geraldine, please, Lord. Sito ka si Ginoo.